Welcome to Moola. In this video, we'll show you how to use Moola at online checkout. If you already have a gift card, you can add it to your digital wallet. In order to use it at checkout, it needs to have a positive balance. If you don't have a gift card, or you need to top it up, you can buy more from the Moola Marketplace. In our example, we have an existing Walmart gift card. Here, we can find the nearest store locations in either map or list view. In our example, we'll jump over to the Walmart app, but this can also work on the regular website or in person. I've already added an item to my cart, so now I just need to check out. I can fill out all the details such as my name, shipping address, and then payment. Depending on the merchant, the wording may be slightly different, but look for the spot to pay with a gift card. This is where we'll add our gift card number. It's important to note that it's okay to combine payment methods, so if your gift card balance won't cover the total checkout amount, you can use another method of payment to pay the difference. Returning to our Moola wallet, we'll select our Walmart gift card and long press on the gift card number. This will copy it to our clipboard. Now all we need to do is return to the checkout page, paste in our gift number along with our unique PIN, and proceed with the rest of the checkout process. And that's it. To learn more about Moola, please subscribe to our channel or visit moola.com. Try Moola today, available in both iOS and Android. Thanks for watching.